Hello fellow DIYers and Focus owners. Today I will show you how you can remove the passenger assist handle, or commonly known as the oh shit handle. So in the Focus, the passenger assist handle is held in by clips. Hooray! So to undo these clips, you will understand better after I have these clips out, but it's really annoying. So you will need a custom-ish screwdriver that you will need to insert, and when you feel it's in the bottom, then you will need to twist, and hopefully it will come out if the clip wants to cooperate. So you only need to twist 90 degrees, and yeah, like so. That's one. And here is two. The camera is such a bad position. Oh my god. And I'm in such a bad position. So twist 90 degrees and yeah. Okay. Now the fun part begins when you actually need to put these things back, because if you just press them in, they will not stay in place. So you will need to get under the plastic trim. You will need to get these clips out, and you will need to press the clips onto these two things, and with clips you will need to insert it into the metal part. To play around with the clips, it's easier to use one of these needle nose pliers. So yeah, let me get some plastics off and I will be back. So now comes the really interesting part. Here's the clip, here's the oh shit handle, and to put it back, so this is how it will hopefully go on, and it needs to hook into those grooves. And when you take it off, so look, when you take it off, you insert a flathead screwdriver flat, and then you turn it 90 degrees to push these things on the clip outside, and you can pop it off. So you will need to have the passenger assist handle in this position, put the clips on it, and after that press the whole thing into the metal. That's the extremely annoying part. You might need to remove more plastic trim pieces to have an easier job. First I will bend the clips back into their place. So that's the first clip. And here's the second clip. I need to pull the trim down. Place the clip behind the carpet, whatever, and press the oh shit handle into it. And hopefully it will work, because it needs to hook in.
One hour later.
So now, after you manage to get both the metal clips on the plastic, now you push the whole thing up and insert it until it clicks. And now you can pull as hard as you want, because hopefully it will stay in place. Really annoying job. If you can't put the clips on, you will need to bend them. Bend the outside, the inside, the part that clips on the plastic, the part that clips into the metal, but this is the procedure I found that it works for me. Might not exactly work for you, but hopefully it will.
Thank you for watching. I didn't find a video like this when I was searching for one, so here it is. You're welcome. I hope this will help the Focus DIYers community. Anyway, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Have a great day. See you next time.